Southern Charm team here. We're at the Peach Cobbler factory today. It's their grand opening. We're going to take you on a tour and show you what it's all about.
It smells so good. It smells so good. You want to set up, down, left, right, BA Center. Does that work?
I wish.
You get 30 laps at least.
Stand in front of her.
But they're ice cream.
No, baby, it's banana pudding. Do you like banana pudding?
It smells so good. Sweet potato. Cinnamon peach praline. Did it work? That would be inappropriate. Are you gonna
All of
Are you
these.
gonna talk about the cinnamon peach praline though?
No, I'm not, because I got these over here.
You didn't get any cobbler?
Went to a cobbler place to get banana bread pudding.
Okay, they're waiting on you.
All right, what are you getting, buddy? What are you getting?
Probably gonna get peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler? I mean, that's what they're known for, right? I guess I should have got one peach cobbler. I'm not sure. Hey guys, so we got caught up in the hoopla of the grand opening of the Peach Cobbler factory downtown Savannah that we forgot to do an ending. I will tell you all the food that I had. I tried a lot of different ones and they were all fantastic. I had I went more for the banana pudding, that's my jam. But everybody had the cobbler, they loved it. Obviously that's what they're known for, so everybody loved it. The staff was friendly, the owners were very, very, very nice. So you should go check it out. It was a good time. We are giving away 5 $10 gift cards. All you have to do is like and follow our page and comment down below saying what flavor of cobbler or banana pudding you want, and you enter for a chance to win. Super easy. Good luck to everybody, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.